2:30 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Milton to near Footsville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Delavan, Milton, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Footsville, Lake Clostremel, Richmond, LaGrange, Tiffany, Hanover, Millard, Avalon, Fuggs Hollow, Lima Center, Tibbetts, and Allens Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.